sorry, bunnies. I was trying to catch you guys grooming like you were a second ago. Moshi consiente, digo, Jamili consiente a Moshi. Oh, sure, now that you're being watched, you won't do it.